What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's video, people, I'm going to be teaching you guys the double cross. Now, this is a kind of beginner move into intermediate. It's a very, very cool move, and we'll be showing some B-roll clips over the top of this, but you really want to make sure that you know how to do the crossover. That's the first point of call. If you don't know how to do that, go back and check my tutorials, type in crossovers, Rush Athletics, learn that, and then you'll be ready for this move today. And it's going to be very quick, short tutorial, I promise you. But before we get started, if you don't know what ropes we use on this channel, is of course the RA speed rope, also known as the money rope. You can use YouTube 10 for 10% discount now, and we ship worldwide. Right, so let's get into this very quickly, people. It is a good place to start, like I said, that you know crossovers. Right, now this is your crossover, so if you don't know what crossover is, then again, go back and check out the videos for these. You can do crossover with the run, crossover with the boxer step, crossover basic bounce. Now I'm going to be teaching you, as you've seen, the double cross. Right now, this is a very nice, cool, slick move, and it all just needs to come together with a few body positions and wrist rotations. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to break it down. First point of call is just manage your footwork. Right, I suggest starting with a basic bounce always. If you're someone who can do the boxer step, that's fine, but just start with a basic bounce so you understand the move. First thing now, we're going to cross. We're going to cross at the elbows, and all you're going to do very simply, people, is you're going to keep this position locked in. All right, so after you've done that first cross, you don't want to break your hands away. You don't want to kind of move your wrists away from each other, hands come close. You don't do any of that. That's just going to make your loops narrow. You're going to trip up on the second cross. First point of call, so elbows crossed and locked. Second point of call is now your wrists. All right, so you've done this first bit. From here, you want to generate the speed for the second revolution on the wrist. Right, now if I come to camera B here quickly, just to get a little bit of a close-up, when we do that first cross, now here you want to get that revolution moving with both hands at the same time. And that's really key, because if you don't get this done smoothly, then the rope won't come round at the same speed as the first revolution, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you like a kind of mess up at the moment. So if you do this cross, break the hands, or break the sort of formation here, that's a trip up. Similarly, if your wrists don't move here, and then the wrists don't move, you jump and then you trip. All right, so to tie it all in together, like I said, it's gonna be a very quick tutorial. Is we're just gonna practice basic bounce here, 1, 2, okay? 1, 2. Just start slowly for now. Just get the rhythm, keep those elbows locked, wrists moving. Another key point that is really good to kind of understand, guys, is your thumb positioning. Right, again, if I come to camera B here, thumb positioning, I like to have the thumb down the handle of the skipping rope. Gives me a lot more control as I'm rotating the rope around. Right, so keep that thumb down here, rotate with that thumb, and you want to make sure it's kind of facing behind you to get a lot of speed. Then, last point of call, tie it together with different footwork. So you go into your boxer step, 1, 2, nice and smooth. And then you can tie it in with run crossovers. And you can just kind of mix and match, have a little play around with it. Very, very simple, but you just need to put time, again, practice, patience, all the key things that we always talk about when it comes to skipping. Watching those slow motions, you'll understand this move very clearly. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys, if it helped you. Hopefully you guys are following the journey and you're subscribed as well. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you want to see going forward, and I'll get it done for you as always. So without further ado, nice short sharp tutorial as promised. I'm going to see you in that next video, so take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.